Hey guys, Realme are planning to very soon to launch Realme GT 5 Pro in China. Rumor are the Realme GT 5 Pro come with the BOE AMOLED curved skin display with a 2K resolution and of course is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC with LPDDR5X 12GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. Out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with Realme UI 5. It is set to pack a 5400 mAh battery and it supports for a 100W wire charging and 50W wireless charging. The Realme GT 5 Pro comes with the 50MP main sensor who is Sony IMX966 with OIS, 50MP J&1 ultrawide and 64MP OB64B telephoto periscope zoom lens and it supports 3x optical zoom and it's launched in China 5268 RMB. So that's all about the Realme GT 5 Pro rumor and all the specification. If you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.